Hi everyone, my name is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel, welcome. With me you can find cosmetics and cold process soap recipes and candles making process. Today I'm making a summer deodorant for men with mature skin scented with mint and cedar. I've already prepped my ingredients. Shea butter with Candelilla wax in one bowl ready to go in a bain-marie, baking soda, corn starch and green clay, and a second one will be adding right after removing the mix wax and butter from the heat. I will mix, then add my essential oils and place it in a jar before the mixture thickens too much. I chose to combine shea butter with Candelilla wax to obtain a consistency that holds up to heat while melting easily on contact with the skin. I always use very fine baking soda that I buy in the food section of my supermarket to limit its abrasive side but keep its absorbent power reinforced by corn starch. To further protect the skin and soften it, I always add clay. Here, I chose the green one, which is also purifying, cleansing and restorative. In addition to being perfumes, the essential oils of Mint and Virginia Cedar are rich in anti-inflammatory active ingredients and promote skin healing. I leave you with the video. Here we obtain a very rich texture. Protected from heat and humidity, and made in good hygienic and disinfection conditions, your recipe can be kept for up to 6 months. I recommend that you use a small spatula to collect the product and limit bacteria. In case of extreme heat, I recommend that you place your product in a cool place. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I am also available on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. If you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to take a look at my other videos. I'll see you again soon for another video. Have a good evening everyone, bye.